Okay, go. The last time I spent time in a natural setting was during a weekend trip to a forest reserve called Bosque de Piedra in the central highlands of Peruvian. Now, I went there with two friends. We traveled by car and the journey took about 4.5 years from my hometown. Also, that time I was a bit long. The views alone was we were absolutely stunning. Made the drive impossible. No, the landscape was dramatically different from my usual every month. I live in a very urban area where the streets are noise, the air is pollution, pollutes, and nature feels distance. In contrast, the forest was for years much cleaner and completely peaceful. The air was incredible, fresh, and the rock formations were some of the most unique I have ever seen. The streets were extremely tall, and the area was covered in kicks moss, which gave the place a magical atmosphere. Uh, while I was there, I feel totally relaxed, deeply connections to nature. It was one of the most peaceful experience I have had in recent years compared to my normal life, which is often stressful and last passes these moments in nature. I feel like I'm out needs escape. After I left, I felt refreshed, but also a bit sad to return uh, to the busier, noisier city. No, this experience reminds me that natural places are not only more beautiful than cities or a place, no, but also essential for our mental well-being. I was truly unforgettable, unforgettable trip. No, I have I have a beautiful. Thank you.